Welcome back. You can use cell protection to protect your worksheet so that if you and a partner or a number of partners are working on something, you can share the document with them without being worried that someone could make a change to change the nature of the spreadsheet. For example, if we were to just place our cursor here in this area, you'll notice that this is a formula. And if we were to take this formula and click the delete button, the spreadsheet could no longer work. Now in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to click the undo button, and that's going to bring all that information back. So what could you do in order to share with someone so that they did not change the nature of the spreadsheet? Well, you can click this Protect Sheet button. And what you're going to do is you're going to allow individuals to select the locked cells and select the unlocked cells, but you're not going to allow them to format anything, make changes or edits. We're not going to leave a password to unprotect the sheet. What we're going to do now is we're just going to click OK. That individual would get the document in their email. They'd click View in OneDrive, and then they'd have access to the document. Now the thing is that you'd want them to be able to enter the loan amount so that they can see what would actually happen. And you'll notice then that if they click on various aspects of the sheet, they won't be able to make any edits. And if we double click the loan amount, you'll see there that Microsoft gives them a message. And that message is, this sheet is protected. Some parts may be view only and can't be changed. So that means then that although the individual can look at the sheet, they can't actually make changes, even though you've shared it with them. Now in the next video, we're going to show you how we can allow the individual that you shared the document with to be able to make changes to the document in a way that they can experience what the document actually says. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.